Hi, in this video we're going to talk about the lowest common multiple. By the end of this video you should be able to know what the lowest common multiple is and how to find it from two numbers. So let's have a look. The lowest common multiple is just the multiple that two numbers have in common, which is the smallest, hence the word lowest. Let's see what the lowest common multiple of 2 and 5 would be. We need to know the multiples of 2. Now we don't need this many multiples, but the first few 5 or 6 would be a good idea. The multiples of 5 begin at 5 and they increase by 5 each time. So I'm looking for the one that they have in common that is the lowest. Now you might be able to see it right now. There's 10 that they have in common and there's 20 that they have in common. In fact, 2 and 5 have plenty of numbers that they have in common, plenty of multiples that they have in common, but 10 will always be the smallest. So the lowest common multiple of 2 and 5 is 10. What's the lowest common multiple of 3 and 4 then? I'm going to write out the multiples of 3 and then the multiples of 4, at least until I get one that's in common, in which case 12 is the lowest common multiple. Now, one tip that I can give for you this, if you look at 2 and 5, if you multiply those two numbers together, you'll get 10. That happens to be the lowest common multiple in this case. If you multiply 3 and 4 together, you'll get 12, which also happens to be the lowest common multiple. Now, this is not the hard and fast rule. If you multiply the two numbers you're trying to find the lowest common multiple of, you will get a common multiple. It may not be the lowest, but it's a good place to start. So what should you write down? Well, this page right now is a good start. There's a heading, there is a definition of the lowest common multiple, and then there are two examples that you can put in your book to refer to later on. So pause the video and get it down. And that's it. Hopefully now you know what a lowest common multiple is and how to find it from two numbers. Good luck.